Helped 1000 people. He did not accept the number to matter one person at a time. That was always enough. A message answered, a doubt cleared, a voice heard. This came from everywhere, some broken, some lost, some just tired. And he stayed, not because he had all the answers, but because he refused to look away. He gave what he could, time, truth, big presence, and slowly the ripples grew. One became 10, 10 became 100, 100 became 1,000. He never kept score, but the world died. And one day it whispered back, "You helped 1,000 people." He smiled, not because he was proud, but because he remembered every face, every silence, every thank you that never needed to be said. And now he walks forward, not chasing numbers, just listening for the next echo. He walked down from the hill not to rest. The world below was still heavy, still full of quiet battles, and he knew not everyone asked for help out loud, so he listened harder to the silence between words, to the fear behind laughter. Donated $1,000 to 100 people. A few days ago, I had a simple thought: if I can make little life a little easier for 100 people, why should not I? So I decided to do something meaningful. I gave $1,000 to 100 different people. No challenge, no contest, no camera, just real help for people who truly needed it. Some used it to pay their kids' school fees, some started their small business, some paid for their parents' medical bills, and some finally took the first step toward their dreams. Watching their reaction, the mix of relief, gratitude, and happiness made me realize something powerful. Money is not just about numbers. Sometimes it becomes someone hopes. There were no flashy shots, no background music. That day I truly felt you don't have to be a millionaire to make a million difference. A few weeks later, I started hearing back from some of the people I had helped, and honestly, I did not accept what came next. One woman told me she used the money to start a small bakery. Now she is employing three other people from her neighborhood. A college student said he finally cleared his last semester fees and got his degree. Another man told me he bought tools to restart his workshop after losing his job during tough times.